Hello, I'm Tom O'Mara, Head of Digital Education in University College Cork, and today I'd like to talk to you about the classroom technology that you will use when you want to lecture in UCC. So every teaching space in UCC has a built-in PC. To use it, you just need to log on using your UCC credentials. So when you log on to a lectern PC, you need to use your email address and password. It's important that if you've been using a Windows 11 machine, you may have been using a PIN. That won't work on a lectern PC. You need to remember your password and your email address. So once you've logged on to the lectern PC, all you need to do now is get your files, maybe your PowerPoint, for example, that you wish to display. So in this case, I'm going to use OneDrive, but you could also use SharePoint or Canvas files or a USB if that's what you wish. I'm going to navigate to my OneDrive and get a presentation that I want to display today. So I'm going to the Microsoft Edge browser. I'm now going into Office. And up on the app launcher, I should find OneDrive. And now, here's the PowerPoint presentation I want to use today. Got to put it in presenter mode. And there we go. So if you want to record your lecture, and you've used Panopto on this device before, then recording your lecture is as simple as double-clicking on Panopto icon and then pressing record. Let me show you how. So to record with Panopto, you simply find the Panopto icon on the desktop and you double-click on it. And now it knows where you recorded before, so you simply click on the record button. We switch back to our presentation, give our lecture, and when we're finished with the lecture, very important, you stop the recording. The dialog box confirms that the recording is complete, and when you click Done, you see a list of all your recordings. You can now close Panopto. You can close your presentation, and really important, you always need to log out of your desktop lectern before you leave. Otherwise, the next person who comes in will log on to the same area that you were using.